As we stand at the precipice of a new era in energy production, two titans are vying for dominance: solar power and nuclear energy. The question on everyone's mind is, which of these behemoths will reign supreme in the quest for a cleaner, more sustainable future? Section 1: The Rise of Solar Power. Solar energy has been steadily gaining momentum over the years, with many countries investing heavily in solar infrastructure. The numbers are staggering. In 2020, solar power accounted for over 30% of the world's new energy capacity, surpassing wind power for the first time. This is largely due to the declining cost of solar panels, which have dropped by over 70% in the last decade alone. Furthermore, solar energy has become increasingly efficient, with some panels boasting conversion rates of up to 22%. Section 2: The Challenges of Solar Power. Despite its many advantages, solar energy still faces significant challenges. One of the main issues is intermittency. Solar power is only generated when the sun is shining, making it difficult to rely on as a primary source of energy. This can lead to grid instability and make it harder to store excess energy for use during periods of low sunlight. Additionally, the production of solar panels requires significant amounts of energy and resources, which can negate some of the environmental benefits of solar power. Section 3: The Nuclear Option. Nuclear energy, on the other hand, offers a reliable and consistent source of power. Nuclear reactors can operate for years without interruption, making them an attractive option for baseload power generation. Additionally, nuclear energy produces no greenhouse gas emissions during operation, making it a cleaner option than fossil fuels. However, the production of nuclear power comes with significant risks, including the potential for accidents and the storage of radioactive waste. Section 4: Nuclear Safety Concerns. The safety concerns surrounding nuclear energy are well documented, with incidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima serving as sobering reminders of the risks involved. However, it's worth noting that nuclear accidents are relatively rare and that the industry has made significant strides in improving safety in recent years. Furthermore, many experts argue that the benefits of nuclear energy outweigh the risks, particularly when it comes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Section 5: The Economics of Solar Power. When it comes to cost, solar energy is increasingly becoming a more viable option. The cost of solar panels has dropped significantly over the years, making it more competitive with fossil fuels. Additionally, the cost of installation and maintenance is decreasing, making solar energy a more attractive option for consumers. However, the upfront cost of solar panels can still be a barrier for many individuals and businesses. Section 6: The Economics of Nuclear Power. Nuclear energy, on the other hand, has a higher upfront cost but a lower operating cost. Nuclear reactors can operate for decades with minimal maintenance, making them a more cost-effective option in the long run. However, the high upfront cost can be a barrier for many countries or companies looking to invest in nuclear energy. Additionally, the cost of decommissioning a nuclear reactor at the end of its life can be significant. Section 7: Carbon Emissions. When it comes to carbon emissions, solar energy is the clear winner. Solar panels produce no greenhouse gas emissions during operation, making them a cleaner option than fossil fuels. Nuclear energy, on the other hand, produces no emissions during operation but does produce radioactive waste, which can have a significant impact on the environment. However, many experts argue that the benefits of nuclear energy outweigh the risks, particularly when it comes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Section 8: Energy Storage.